Oh my god, is that a gay dog? Can I have a hug?
I just like guys.
I love your streams.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh my god, bro. This freaking crazy outfit. Hold on, can I get it? Look, me, I can't. Oh, what? It's upside down, so I can't see which way I'm facing. Baby, you better tell me what it is right now. Oh my god, yeah, baby.
And when we went to the city of Pittsburgh, what was before you took the tour, what was your impression of the city of Pittsburgh? Before the tour, when they offered for you to come out and visit the site, what was your initial reaction?
Okay, what you must understand, and I apologize for this, I actually said this to the lady on the phone, because I'm a Philadelphian, and I was last in Pittsburgh in 1981. It was different back then, it was a steel town. And I said to the lady, your city is a festering hellhole. It's like a vast boiling cauldron of pus. I would much rather have my convention in Mordor, thank you very much.
I hung up on her.
Look how crazy this line is right now. It like wraps around the whole entire like freaking hall.
Thank you for all your service. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce you to my now former assistant, Black Panther. Boy, you are screwed. He's a little thick, he might need to stretch it.
Welcome to the Traffic Cone Club. Everyone, Megaplex's new Director of Security, Night Panther!
He already about it.
Thanks, guys.
You could act up.
Ounce of cash. Scoopy, let me help you with the left side of this thing. Kristen, on behalf of Megaplex, this is how much money we're giving to you this year. You guys managed to raise $50,000 between Megaplex's board of directors and all of the money. We're giving over $50,000 to CARE.
Every year I say I'm not gonna cry. This year has been so tough. Every year we grow a little more, and it's because of all of you. And every year we reach out and do more for the animals and give our animals a better life and the life they deserve. And I can't thank all of you enough. And the staff here, unbelievable. These are some of the nicest people I've ever met in my life. And I meet them every single year, so thank you so much for all this help.
Megaplex is happy to support CARE. You are supporting Florida conservation and wildlife. We do a lot of good things for a lot of critters that can't take care of themselves. We're happy to help take care of you just a little bit because we all care.
Thank you so much. It means everything.
We're gonna get a broom and sweep up all these dollar bills.
Travis, that's your best job. Why do you think I brought you? Come on.
What is going to help? What's it going to help with the most?
Right now we are behind on some medical bills because we've taken in some new animals that were really screwed up. So some of it's going to the medical bills. We're finishing Chimera, our Bigelow Liger's cage. We started that a couple of years ago, and because of COVID, we ran out of money, and so we'll be able to finish that cage. We need a new cage for lemur land because all of a sudden we got lemurs everywhere. And we'll be able to put some money back into our medical fund that we always keep on hand because we never know what's going to come in and how bad a shape it's going to come in. So I can't thank you guys enough for all of this. This is tremendous.
And guys, if for those of you that were not here for the care presentation this morning, there are a couple of very specific animals that we called out. For those of you that have ever been there, Rascal, who is the oldest fox on property, has developed a little bit of an ocular problem. He's having an eye problem. He's also older and has started to develop arthritis, so he requires a little bit of extra care. Also, one of the lemurs that came in from Mississippi, I believe, has some additional
tail issue, and another one has to go to the vet, and we have a third one that now has to be neutered, so, because we don't need any more right now.
And Chimera, when we talk about the baby, when we talk about the liger, which is an actual thing.
He's he's a toddler.
He's a toddler. However, this toddler now weighs about 800 pounds and stands over 5 feet tall to the top of his head when he's on all fours. And he's still growing. He needs a lot of food. He eats how much food per day?
In the wintertime, 25 pounds.
Of meat a day.
Yeah, right now about 14 to 15.
So if anybody wants to throw a little bit of extra cash toward them, even though we're announcing this number, Kristen will happily take anything, even if it's $1. Kristen will happily take anything, because it will help go to. How many of you were first-time attendees? Please stand up.
Hey guys!
I'm going to ask one of our...
Tonight, I lost another fight. I still mess up, but I'll start again. I keep falling down, keep on hitting the ground. I always get up now to see what's next. Birds don't just fly, they fall down and get up. Nobody learns without getting it wrong. I won't give up, no, I won't give in till I reach the end, and then I'll start again. No, I won't leave.
Mama, Mama, that's Pepper Coyote singing. Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't know it was that long. Oh my god. Yeah. Because everything was virtual last year. Because everything was virtual last year.
Brazil for Fest 2022, the Fantastic Candy Factory. Join us in a furry convention in Brazil. Visit Megaplex SisterCon and get to know how Brazilians celebrate the furry fandom with our guest of honor, Uncle Kagi. We'll be happy to receive all of you for a big party. Brazil for Fest 2022 from July 15th to 17th at Sheraton Santos Hotel. More information in English, brazilforfest.org.
I also want to point out, for all of you that are looking to do travels, a lot of people focus on Europe. There are a lot of fine furry conventions that are south of the border, including Confura down in Mexico. There is a convention in Argentina. There is a convention in Brazil. There's furries all over the world. They have warm hearts. They would like to see you too. So if you want to look at other conventions outside the United States, look to the south as well as to our east and west. Now, before we start talking about next year, we have a little bit of unfinished business that has to happen. Would you please step forward?
Uh-oh.
Brill. Scooby, do you want to explain exactly why Brill is about to undergo what is about to happen?
Because several years ago, our former chairman, Eno, started a war with Dite. And now it seems to be a tradition to pie somebody at opening ceremonies. We missed it, so Brill is going to get it twice on the way out.
So before this happens, I'm not going to get my jacket dirty. I'm going to come over here Everybody, we need for you to help us count off Brill getting pied in the face. We're gonna count down from 3. Get ready, everybody. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! And now you know what happens when you try to leave the board of directors. That's good. I bet he's glad that he can do that. He doesn't have hair to get it stuck in, except on his beard. Yeah. Right. So, we have another video. And this video talks about something that's going to happen next year. How many of you are interested in coming back to Megaplex next year? How many of you might be interested in what the theme for Megaplex might be? Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure we ask you to watch the screens to see the introduction for Megaplex 2022.
Set your sights on the next Megaplex for 1982. Join us for a new dimension in further dimensions. This year, take a chill pill and see all your furry friends from all around the world while you rock out to the neon glow of electric lights. You'll want to rock down to Electric Avenue.
Year for our Megaplex number 20. We're going back to the 80s, and it's going to be a little bit of a glowy situation. It is Electric Avenue. Every year, Megaplex now creates a commemorative poster. Over here are the posters of Megaplexes of days gone by. We don't remove them and leave them alone. We leave Megaplex's memories completely intact so that you will never forget them and always remember the fun memories you have. However, the action that closes this year's convention is Blitz bringing out this year's poster to join its brethren in Megaplex history. It's such a sad image. Once he puts that on that easel, our convention will officially be closed. Before we do, can we have one last cheer for Megaplex 2021? Guys, we are happy to have you back, but it is my unfortunate obligation to let you know Megaplex number 19 is now officially closed. Thanks again, everybody, for joining us. We were happy to have you. Join us next year in August for Electric Avenue, Megaplex number 20, the 20th iteration of this convention. We'll have a lot of fun. Thanks again, everybody. There's a lot of fun to still be had. You can still hang around. Remember, you don't have to go home. You just can't stay here.